फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल दिस इज़ फॉर माय इंडियन व्यूअर्स। अगर आपको ये वीडियो हिंदी में देखना है तो मेरे डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में एक लिंक है, वहाँ से आप ये सेम वीडियो हिंदी में देख सकते हैं। ओके, so hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today I will be showing you an awesome app through which you can generate passive income by just doing nothing. By that I literally mean just doing nothing. You just have to open an app and that's it. Didn't understand? See the video till the end. So the name of the application is Honeygain, as you can see here, this one. First of all, let me tell you how to download it, because this app is not available on Play Store or App Store. You have to download this app through their website. So first you have to go to your browser, then type in www.honeygain.com and you will be redirected to their website. This is their website, and down here you can see Get Android APK. You have to click that and your app will be downloaded. And one thing that this app works on your phone as well as laptop. You can access this app through both the means. You may be thinking that how can someone give us money for not doing any work? Yes, your question is right. So let me explain. So what this Honeygain app does, that it takes all of your search data. By search data I mean whatever you search on Google. It takes all that search data and sells it to content research companies. So whenever a big company, for example, a company sells laptop PC accessories, for example keyboard, mouse or a mouse pad. So these companies want to sell their products. So what they will do, that they will ask these content research companies to give a list of persons who are currently searching for laptop PC accessories. So what Google will do, that it will show ads only of your interest. If someone is searching for laptop accessories, they will show that company's ads to that person who is searching for laptop accessories. So this is how your search data is helpful for these websites. So one thing I will tell you, that this website Honeygain does not take your personal information. It does not take your bank details, credit card details or anything sort of that. It is a very trusted and genuine website, and I personally use it. But still, if you have any doubts, you can use another phone if you have a spare phone. Nowadays everyone has more than one phone, so you can take your another phone in which there are no any of the bank details, it is, or any of your personal information. So you can download the app there only for your safety reasons. But by the way, this app is very trusted and genuine, but I'm telling you just for safety reasons. Okay, so now that I have tell you about the app, how it works, so let's see. You can first of all, you can also see here that in their website they have written Honeygain's Red network is used by businesses clients for web intelligence and content delivery, and Honeygain manages the connections and payments. Honeygain shares your unused net traffic with data scientists. So here you have that it is an estimation of how you can earn based on how much data you use. So this is an estimation, it is not 100% correct. You may be earn more, you may be earn less or more. So as you can see, if you use 1 GB of data a day, you can earn up to $3, and it goes on how much of data you use. And you can earn by referrals too. So don't forget to use my referral code in the description box, or you can directly click the link and sign up. You will directly get your $5 bonus. You will get a $5 bonus if you sign up from my link, which is in the description box. So don't forget to do that. Okay, so now let's go to the app. Here I have my Honeygain app. So this is how the app looks like. As you can see, I've earned around $12. And let me tell you the basic principle of this website. Here, if you use every 10 MB of data you use, you will get 1 credit. And once you have completed 1,000 credit, you will earn $1. So as you can see, today I have earned around 21 credits. And when I discovered about this app, I did not use any referral link or some sort of that. If I had used that, I didn't know about it. So if I had used that, I would already get now $17. So you don't do that. Go to my description box and from there you download the app. So this is how the app works. So once you have earned $20, you can then cash out. For withdrawal, you need a PayPal account because this app will directly transfer your money through PayPal. So you need a PayPal account. I hope you found this video helpful. If yes, then please do like the video. A like would be appreciated. And subscribe to my channel and click that bell icon so that you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. Till then, peace out.